Hi everyone, I am Dr. Atma Esraj, Chief Internist Badral Sama Alkur and the Nodal Officer for COVID-19 of our branch. We have been dealing with this pandemic COVID-19 for the last 6 months and I am sure all of you will know what COVID-19 is by this time. Today, I would like to discuss with you in brief certain points regarding COVID-19 in elderly people. The symptoms of COVID-19 ranges from mild to moderate to severe illness, and people who are elderly, especially who are more than 60 years of age and who have underlying medical conditions like hypertension, diabetes, heart and lung diseases, those who have cancer on treatment, those who have received organ transplant, these are the people who are at high risk for developing severe illness due to COVID-19. Precautions has to be taken by these elderly people during this pandemic. First of all, they have to reduce the risk of getting infected with COVID-19. For this, they have to limit the number of interactions they are having with these people as much as possible. And if they have to interact with people, they have to practice the social distancing protocols. The more the number of people they interact with, more closer the interaction is and longer the interaction of these people with others, there is high risk for getting infected with COVID-19. Always make sure that you wear proper face mask when you are going outside, and whenever you are interacting with other people, make sure that the opposite person is also wearing a mask. Do not touch your eyes, ears, nose and mouth, and after going out and coming back, regularly wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water or with an alcohol sanitizer which contain at least 60% of alcohol. And if you are coughing or sneezing, make sure that you cover your nose and mouth with a tissue or either with the bend of the elbow, and also discard the tissue soon after the use. If you are considering in-person visit with your family or friends, try to delay or cancel the visit if any of this person, either you or the person who are supposing to meet you, is having any symptoms suggestive of COVID-19 or they have had an exposure to someone with COVID-19 during the last 14 days. Indoors, make sure that the room is well ventilated and broad enough to accommodate social distancing, and try to make a list of the people whom you have visited or who are visiting you, so that if somebody falls sick, it can help us for the contact tracing of these people. The important thing is that you should try to stay healthy during the pandemic. You should stay physically active and practice healthy habits to cope up with stress. You should continue to follow your treatment plan, continue your medicines, and have at least 30 days to 3 months supply of your regular medicine, so that you can avoid unnecessary visit to the hospital. And if elderly with underlying diseases, you should receive the recommended vaccines against influenza vaccine and the pneumococcal diseases. If you have slightest of symptoms like fever, body pain, sore throat or cough, try to contact your general healthcare practitioner and follow the instructions accordingly. But if you have any shortness of breath, any persistent chest pain, weakness of one side of the body, it's an emergency situation, and at that time you should attend to the nearest healthcare facility at the earliest. We all know the elderly people are the vulnerable people who need care and support. Physical distancing is very essential, but that doesn't mean that they have to be socially isolated. Reach out to them by giving them phone calls or video calls and ensure that they are safe. Try avoiding negative comments to them so that they are not anxious. Try to enjoy some quality time with them so they can enjoy your love, compassion and care, and make them happy and let them stay safe. Thank you.